Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new 2026 Ferrari F50, a brutal mix of nostalgia and next-gen performance. And trust me, this car is not just a reboot. It's a resurrection. Let's dive in. The 2026 F50 doesn't just echo the past, it modernizes it. Look at that silhouette. The long nose, the wide hips, the open rear diffuser, a clear tribute to the '95 classic. Full carbon fiber body with exposed rev option, active aerodynamic flaps integrated into the front splitter and rear wing, LED laser blade headlights with retro-styled pop-up effect, reinvented flying buttress rear for downforce and beauty, optional removable target top, just like the original. Ferrari didn't just want to build a fast car. They wanted to sculpt a work of art that slices the air at 230 miles per hour. Open the door and step into a world where nostalgia meets innovation. The 2026 F50's cabin is stripped down, just like its predecessor, but packed with clever touches for the modern driver. Fully digital gauge cluster mimicking analog dial layout, Alcantara and exposed carbon everywhere, manual look paddle shifters with tactile feedback, holographic HUD that hovers above the steering wheel, vintage style flip switches on the dash. It's not plush. It's not cozy. It's not supposed to be. This is a cockpit built for speed, not comfort. Let's talk power. The original F50 had a 4.7-liter V12 pulled straight from Ferrari's Formula One program. For 2026, they've gone even more insane. 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 with electric hybrid assist, 10,200 RPM redline, 950 combined horsepower, 850 ICE plus 100 hybrid boost, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, top speed, 233 miles per hour. Ferrari didn't go the full electric route. Why? Because sound matters. That screaming V12 is the soul of this car, and it's alive and well. The 2026 Ferrari F50 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A tribute to the past, built for the roads of tomorrow. It honors the original, but makes no apologies for its evolution. So what do you think? Is this the greatest modern Ferrari yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if you're a fan of V12s that scream past 10,000 RPM. And don't forget to subscribe, more legends are coming back to life.